Hello, Byron. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out yesterday and I told you that I was going to send out the screencast to you, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your top competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I send these screencasts out, and often when people see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. It already played the jingle, which I actually really love. Um, but as we scroll through, we can see you guys actually have a lot of good content on here. So that's great. Content is definitely a key factor that Google is going to rank you on. They rank you on about a little over 200 different factors. So content is really important, and we want to make sure that the content is educational and easy to read so that Google's users can find the information or services that they're looking for. Typically, you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, and you guys actually have over 1,900, so you're good there. However, we definitely would want to add some good buyer intent, high volume keywords in here so that we can get you ranked for the right things. So over here I'm on Google. The keyword I'll be using for this video is mold remediation, Raleigh, NC. This is a great keyword. It brings in about 250 searches per month just for this one keyword. So if you were able to snag a few of those as customers, you'd be doing very well just for one keyword. And so right here at the top is where we're typically going to see Google Ads. There are no Google Ads popping up right now, but Google Ads are a great way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition while we are waiting for SEO to warm up. As long as Google Ads are done correctly, they can actually be a huge waste of money if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, you can actually get some really quick customers right away. And so right underneath where the ads are here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is great. You get right at the top of the page. And in order to do that, you now have to be top 3. You actually only used to have to be top 5 about a year ago, but Google switched up the algorithm, so now you have to be top 3. And how you do that is going to be through citations. And so you want to be listed on local directories all over the web. That's a citation. So having your business listed on something like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, that's going to help you get more citations, and you want to get more citations than these 3 businesses right here to get at the top. And so underneath that, we have our organic search results. And so these are by far the most important. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they actually end up clicking on one of these organic search results. So this is definitely a main area you're going to want to focus on. It gets the best return on investment. And so Carolina Water Damage is right now the number 1 company coming up for this keyword. So really quickly, we'll just go through here. And I actually did a word count on them as well. They only have around 850 words. So already you're beating them by the amount of content that they have by a lot. But as you can see right away, they have some good keywords here, and they've even bolded them. And so that's why they're coming up to the top of the page for a really good keyword like the one we are using for this video. However, the main way you're going to get up here is through backlinks. And so the internet is basically made up of websites linking websites and businesses linking businesses. And so you want trusted, high-powered websites that belong to well-established local businesses in your area, preferably, to give you backlinks. So think a local construction company or plumbing company that's well trusted and well liked and popular. If they were to give you a backlink, that would be really good for your site. And so if you ever try and do any of this on your own, I highly recommend this tool. This is Ahrefs.com. It costs me around $400 a month, but it gives a lot of great info. Like as you can see for Carolina water damage, we can actually check out how many backlinks they have. They have a little over 1,000. We can see from how many different websites those backlinks are from, and then we can see what keywords they're going for. So right now I flipped keywords. To the left, it shows which keywords they are ranking for, how many people search for those keywords a month, how much traffic they get from that keyword, and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can kind of browse through all of the keywords they have, and we can see which ones bring in the most traffic, which ones people are searching for the most, and which ones have the most buyer's intent. And we can decide which ones we want to use for your site. And so, the same way that we just went through the keywords, we can go through the backlinks as well. And so, we can see which backlinks are the best. We can see this by which ones have a high DR domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100, so we want the ones with the higher ratings. And we can find which ones are the best, which ones we're able to get on. And we want to outnumber them. So we'd have to actually look at all the competitors, find some on our own. And right now, as you can see, it says they have 921 according to this page. And so we want to get significantly more than that, which actually isn't as hard as you would think. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide. So we definitely want to beat out all the competition and buy a lot. And so really quickly, we'll go through your site. Right now, it says you guys have 792 backlinks from 144 different domains and are going for 430 keywords. However, as you can see right here, only 308 do follow links, and so we want to get more do follow links. The no follow ones, although they do provide relevancy to your site, they don't actually give your website any power. So we'll just look at here really quick. Sort by volume. And so as you can see, you do have some good keywords in here, like for instance, right here, mold removal, carry, and see. But there's definitely more we can add to this for sure. There's another one that looks pretty good. But so to kind of recap what we talked about is number one, we want content with the right keywords. Number two, we want more citations, get you on the map pack. And then number three, we want more relevant, powerful, do follow backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you learned something from this and enjoyed watching. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714 975 5909. So thanks for watching.